Mission RS electric superbike is deceiving. Instead of roaring, the bike's 150 kilowatt motor softly hums while generating up to 160 horsepower and 120 foot-pounds of torque. The RS has a range of 140 miles, a 0 to 60 mile per hour time of less than 3 seconds, while the top speed is limited to 150 miles per hour. With the significantly upgraded charger, the charging time has been reduced to 2 hours using a 220 volt outlet with 50 amp capability. Named after its outstanding ability to strike speeds of 218 miles per hour, the Lightning LS218 bike gives gas-powered bikes a run for their money. Generating 200 horsepower and 168 foot-pounds of torque, the LS218 can reach 60 miles per hour from a standstill in around 2 seconds and head to its record-setting top speed. With the 20 kilowatt-hour battery pack, real-world range is between 160 and 180 miles on a charge. Equipped with a 67 horsepower motor that generates 106 foot-pounds of torque, the Zero SR can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds and reach a top speed of 102 miles per hour. Its 11.4 kilowatt-hour battery can be recharged via any standard outlet and has a range of up to 181 miles. The bike features a comfortable seat, high-quality Pirelli Diablo Rossa 2 tires, and an app that alerts you when your power is depleted. First street-legal electric race motorcycle, the Impulse TT is fast, where it matters most. The bike makes 52.4 horsepower and 62.6 foot-pounds of torque. It has a top speed of 103 miles per hour and a range of 45 miles, thanks to the 10.4 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery. This is the fastest charging battery on the market. It fully charges in 3.9 hours and comes with a 100,000-mile warranty. From the Ego superbike Energica has now derived a roadster called the Eva. But the most relevant difference between the models is power, as the Eva has been detuned to produce 101 horsepower and 125 foot-pounds of torque. Power is supplied by an 11.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Recharging time via a 110-volt AC outlet takes 8 hours, where 60 amp/330 volt DC recharging stations are available. Recharging time is slashed to 30 minutes. Described by its manufacturer as muscular and aggressive, the Saida R is a real commuter machine with exceptionally smooth handling. Agility claims its motorcycle features the world's first production composite monocoque chassis. Some of its remarkable features include 96.5 horsepower motor, its 0 to 60 mile per hour acceleration in just 3.9 seconds, and a top-heavy appearance which might not be to everyone's taste, but will certainly turn heads. Brutus V9 boasts incredible power within its stylish and unique aesthetics. 125 horses and a devastating 277 foot-pounds of torque are on tap in the V9, which can hit a top speed of 115 miles per hour. Hate the puny range of electric bikes? Brutus has that covered in the V9 too, with 280 miles in city driving and 210 miles of highway driving with the largest battery pack.